Hello everybody! Today we'll be having a look at a brand new 2-bedroom apartment which is up for sale in Havelock City. So once you enter the apartment, you get the living and dining room area. This apartment is 1200 square feet and you get 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and it's also in the 3rd phase of Havelock City. It's quite spacious and bright, and you get a good source of sunlight coming into the apartment. So let's go have a look at the bedrooms. So you get the bedrooms through here. This is one of the 2 bedrooms. It's quite bright and sunny. You have the window over there. The window has double glazed glass, which means you can't hear much noise from the outside. You get one AC unit inside, and that's the ceiling fan with an overhead light. This apartment is also on a lower floor, so you're quite close to a lot of greenery. That's the wardrobe space over there. Now let's go check out the master bedroom. So once again, very bright and sunny. You have a separate area over there for the wardrobe space. And through here you have the attached bathroom. You have the shower cubicle with the shower handle. This is a brand new apartment, so you get brand new fittings. You also have very light colored tiles in the washroom, so it looks very bright. You have a Roselle toilet seat. You have a Roselle sink as well, so most of the bathroom fittings are from Roselle. Through here you have the common bathroom. Once again, Roselle fittings, shower cubicle with the shower handle. And from here, let's go to the kitchen area. So you get quite a large kitchen. It has white color countertops. That's the space to put the microwave. And you get a brand new oven. You get a 4-burner gas stove. So you have central gas inside the apartment, so you don't need to bring a cylinder. That's the exhaust hood. And you also have a lot of storage space inside the. So that's about it. If you want more details about this property, please check out the description in the video. Also, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.